The ancestors of today's wild parakeets probably escaped from the cages of breeders and buyers.
I can catch the green ones in Cologne, but I don't want to. No, I specifically only keep different coloured ones, so that I can't be accused of having released any or let them escape. I don't do that.
About 50 colour variations have been bred from wild birds by enthusiasts. The only green ones here are other types of parrot. Many people like parakeets because of their charm. These dexterous birds display almost human traits in their social